Welcome back, children. This nature school poem we finished almost till worksheet number 23. I hope all of you have colored and write the notes as after seeing video number 2. Now this is the last video of this lesson. That is page number 24 and last video number 3. So in that we have know your values. The value that is given there is as you sow, so shall you reap. That is the value given there. As you sow, so shall you reap. That is the value. The actual meaning of this proverb, it's a proverb, is if you do good things, you will get better results. If you do good things, you will get better results. Okay. So, shall we start with the paragraph? A small paragraph is given. We will read it and see what it is. And after that, two questions are given which you have to answer yourself. Okay. Very small open-ended question. Whatever you want, you can write there. Before that, sow. The meaning of sow and reap. Sow means to plant a seed. Okay, so sowing the seed means planting by scattering the seed. Reap means to harvest or gather the crop. If you plant only, you can reap. If you plant the seed only, you can get a good result from it. Isn't it? Okay. So, it has an inner meaning too, that is if you do good things, you will get better results. Okay. So, shall we deal with the paragraph? Rahul and Rati live in a flat with their parents. So, Rahul and Rati, they are living with their parents in a flat. Both are working. After the office work, Rahul and Rati's mother reach home by 5 p.m. They have a small and beautiful vegetable garden. After refreshing herself, she spends some time in her garden. Rahul and Rati help their mother by watering the plants, arranging the pots, mixing the soil, etc. They really enjoy doing it. They got some vegetables for the cooking purpose. After helping their mother, Rahul and Rati used to play with their friends. So, it's a very small paragraph about what Rahul and Rati used to do in the evening, after the school in the evening. So, they have, even though they live in a flat, in a flat we won't have much space for making a garden or anything. But nowadays the grow bags and all those things are available. So, they are making a small vegetable garden in the flat itself, in the available space itself. So, along with the mother who comes after her office work, three of them work together, arranging mixing the soil, planting the seed, arranging the pots, all these things, all the three of them work together and they really enjoy doing it. And finally, we don't get, once you plant a seed, you have to wait for few days, then only it will grow into a plant. So, after many days, they are getting a good result of many vegetables. That is, they got some vegetable for the cooking purpose and they are really happy with that. So, as you sow, you have to do something, you have to plant something, then only you are getting a result, then only you can reap, then only you can collect the fruit of that. So, here Rahul and Rati, they used to help the parents. So, do you help your parents at home? I hope so. Okay. If not, start doing. Anyway, you have to answer two questions that is given. Do you have a garden at home? If so, how do you help your parents? So, you have to write, it's an open-ended question, you can write whatever answer you feel like. Do you have a garden? Write the answer, yes I have or I don't have. And if you have, what will you do? Will you help your parents, or you don't care about it? Okay. Then second question is, what all benefits do you get by taking care of your garden? What are the benefits of making a vegetable garden? Not only that you are getting good vegetables, okay, I mean healthy vegetables, not the one with pesticides. It's grown at your home, so it will be safe for eating. First of all that. Along with that, there are many other benefits. You get time to spend with your family. When you are working together with your parents, you get time to, you can spend quality time with your parents. And also, you can get, can get fresh air, and you will feel relaxed and refreshed after doing such an activity. So there are so many benefits for the making of this vegetable garden. So try it. Those who already have, know it. Those who don't have, start doing it. Okay. I hope you understood. Please write the answers. Try to write the answers yourself. And with that, we come to the end of the lesson, Nature School. Please go through the poem once again, read it, and study the question answers, meanings, antonyms, all those that are given. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the poem.